Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 Chevrolet Cruze LT. Comes equipped with a 1.4 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as powered sunroof, leather heated seats, backup camera, as well as Pioneer sound system, and so much more. Come check it out. Right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black interior, tons of extra paneling and storage on the bottom. We have a Pioneer sound system, like I said earlier, with the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, as well as the chrome accent handle. And you're going to use black, leather, heated seats, super comfortable. Left side here, you're going to have your vent and your lighting control. And left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control. The right side will be your voice recognition and source control here. For the odometer, it's all accessed here on the blinker. You pretty much just go down and forth here. It gives you almost all of your vehicle information, including your economy here. And then you'll have your maintenance and your gauges as well. It's not going to be pushed, it will be push to start. You're going to have the climate controls there, of course, and onto the infotainment system. You're going to have Bluetooth connectivity as well as built-in CD player. Also with XM and Stitcher smart radio. And you can also access your messages as well as pictures and tone for your music. You can have the rear lift, your trunk release there, climate control with the heated seats, of course down to the shifter with the handbrake, and extra storage with the 12-volt DC port, and this little center console with a USB port inside. Passenger side is manually adjustable, same leather heated finish though. It's going to go across as well. Speakers up top. And here you can access your OnStar and your SOS, as well as your reading lamps and your powered sunroof. You're going to have these 16-inch alloy wheels with paint matched mirror caps and chrome keyless entry door handles. We're going to have to go inside, pop the trunk here. There we go. Up to the back, we're going to have the trunk, obviously, with lots of extra storage inside. If we find the liner, you lift it up. And you're going to have extra wheel well and storage tools down below. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior, we're going to have storage again with the speakers, up to the power windows, the chrome handle, up to the back, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat, with the rear 12-volt DC port in the back here, cup holder and armrest, speakers in the back as well, handles on the side, and lamps up top. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2015 Chevrolet Cruze LT. It comes equipped with a 1.4 liter turbo engine, as well as heated seats, Pioneer sound system, backup camera, cruise control, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.